In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the inner fender liner on your Hyundai Sonata. Let's get started. Using a 21mm socket, remove the 5 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using a pair of clip pliers, remove the clips for the inner fender liner out of the front bumper. Keep going around the wheel well, removing all of the clips. There should be 2 more clips right here. Ours are missing. Remove the 4 Phillips head screws. There's 1 more in the bottom corner. Remove the inner fender liner. Install the inner fender liner. Install the screws. Go around and install the clips. Should be 2 more right here and here. Install the clip through the fender liner to the bumper. Make sure this middle part is sitting inside of the bumper, and then get the front clip started. Install the wheel. Get the lug nuts started. Snug them down. Torque the lug nuts to 80 foot-pounds in a star pattern. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. the only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.